Today is an exciting day as we have got the number one 4K upscale projector of 2023. Now, in case you are wondering that if this is the number one, which are the other models, then make sure to check the link above for that full video. And the product that I'm talking about right now is the Epson EH-LS12000B. Now, this model is one of the best or the most flagship 4K premium projector from Epson, which has got a laser light source. Let us jump on to all the product details, but before that, let's have a quick unboxing video of this. Now, the projector packaging is pretty much standard like most of the other projectors. You get the projector itself along with the remote control, power supply cable, batteries, as well as the manuals. Now, let's unveil the star of the show, EH-LS12000B. The design of this projector makes you definitely feel as if this is a dedicated cinema room projector. It's an upgrade to the EHTW9400 model along with a motorized lens cap, which makes it much more classier. Another highlight of this projector is definitely the standing out texture, which is a very unusual black texture on the body of the projector. The attention to detail not only enhances in the projector's aesthetics but also adds practical value for users. All the necessary ports are at the back panel of this projector, making it extremely convenient for installation and connections. Now that we have explored the physical aspects of this projector, let us look at the real meat of the matter, and that I am talking about is nothing but the performance of EH-LS12000B. Now, one of the most standout feature is the projector's incredible brightness of 2700 lumens. It delivers a stunning visual experience in the first glimpse itself. The 3 LCD technology with advanced pixel shifting gives us a close to native 4K image, although not as detailed as the Sony XW5000ES. Now, I know you all are excited for the differentiation between the EH-LS12000B as well as XW5000ES, but for that you will have to ensure to watch the video till the end. The laser light source combined with the 3 LCD technology and 2700 lumens makes this projector one of the brightest 4K upscale projector possible right now in this home theater segment. It ensures faster on and off operations as well with a minimal time of only 8 seconds. This also clubs along with very less flashing or less disturbing blackouts in the room, especially while changing sources or content. This is something which is a biggest drawback in most of the DLP projector technologies. The motorized lens adjustment is a game changer for installers, providing flexibility in setup. Gamers will also appreciate that the projector is now got 4K at 120Hz support over HDMI 2.1 version, which is there at the back of the projector. But one of the drawbacks is the lack of game preset and a low latency speed of only 38 milliseconds for 1080p 60Hz. On the calibration front, being ISF certified and compatible with Calman calibration software, this projector deserves to be one of the top choice for dedicated cinema rooms. The contrast ratio of 25 lakh:1 gives you a very detailed black, especially when you're watching this LG OLED video, which is available on YouTube. Along with this dynamic black levels, what you also get in this projector is the scene adaptive gamma. Now, typically this is a feature which is most common in the ultra short throw projectors that are available right now in the market in the laser technology, but Epson has managed to get that even in the long throw projector LS12000B. When it comes to the picture preset modes, the dynamic mode kills the fun from this projector. Vivid gives you more colorful but still artificial picture. The cinema mode is good for late night viewing or binge watching where the brightness fades a little and still gives you a pleasurable experience. But my personal favorite is the bright cinema mode, which makes you feel that you have actually got a showstopper for yourself in your home theater room. When it comes to HDR images and videos, nothing can beat this projector, where the screen gets filled with brightness and the depth it creates with deeper blacks is really a pleasure for eyes. Two areas where I feel Epson could have really worked a little more upon is the native 4K resolution and the menu button on screen. Now, for native 4K resolution, the reason why I'm stressing upon that is that Epson still lacks to have a native 4K projector in their entire kitty of products, and for a price point of 6 lakh rupees as an MRP on this projector, it definitely deserves to have at least a native 4K resolution chip. Though the image quality is absolutely stunning and very close to native 4K, but still having that notion of not having the actual native 4K chip definitely pinches when you pay that kind of price. The second area, that is the menu button or the menu screen, is a little disturbing, though it's very straightforward and easy to navigate, very simple to read, but it consumes so much of space on the screen that it becomes difficult for any fine-tune settings that you do to see the reflection of that on the screen. Alright, now it's the time to settle the score between Epson LS12000B and the Sony XW5000ES. Now we had covered XW5000ES some time ago and we do have some of the clips from that. Though the video graphics may not be same, but we will try to give you as detailed separation or comparison between both these projectors. The very first thing is going to be the brightness. The Epson LS12000B is 2700 lumens, whereas the Sony XW5000ES stands at only 2000 lumens with its laser light source in both the cases. Now, while the Epson LS12000B takes the lead in brightness, creating a more impactful image on the screen, however, when we look at the Sony's black levels, they are undeniably higher and more detailed, adding a different dimension to the viewing experience. But when it comes to HDR processing, the LS12000B shines much more higher with flying colors. Another score point for Epson is the motorized lens adjustment, which is still missing in the XW5000ES. If gaming is an important factor for you to select a projector, then the competition is going to be extremely tough. Because on one hand, you have got Epson with its HDMI 2.1 version supporting 4K at 120Hz and 40 Gbps speed. On the other hand, you have got Sony's ultra smooth motion flow technology, which definitely beats the low latencies that you get from the Epson projector. And the only factor wherein the Sony will definitely take a clean win is the native 4K resolution, which we would definitely look forward in Epson sometime in the future. Now, when it comes to prices for both these projectors, the MRP stands at the same level, but definitely the offer prices may not be the same. And in case you want to know what are the offer prices for both these projectors, make sure to hit the link that is shared in the description, because we have got some crazy offers behind both these projectors running right now. Coming back to the conclusion of this video, I don't know if you have already got a clear picture or the clear winner. For me, I'm not much into gaming, by the way. So for me, the definite winner over here is still going to be Epson LS12000B, because it has got one of the best super close to 4K image quality. It has got a very impactful image that it can recreate on the screen. It has got a crazy brightness, making it a very versatile projector. And lastly, it has got a very faster and much more better operations than Sony due to a lot of other features for me as an installer. If that also works for you, let me know in the comments below which one would you pick, and for the next video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. That's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.